And now we have a health threat alert. Studies are leading to the shocking discovery that the danger from waste plastics in the oceans is far worse than previously thought. Stay with us for more information on how this could be affecting you and your loved ones. Plastic waste in the environment is breaking down into microplastic and entering the food chain. You could be eating plastic. How will this affect our future? Our parents, our children, all living things are being threatened by this plastic menace. Things seem hopeless.
Every year, 13 million tons of plastic waste ends up in the oceans. It is expected that by the year 2050, a festering mass of 12 billion tons of plastic waste will be polluting our Earth, and the weight of plastic in the oceans will exceed the total weight of fish.
Our hearts have been wrenched by chilling images of turtles, of birds, of whales, of seals suffering and dying, starving to death, being strangled, becoming handicapped because of our plastic pollution. But in the face of such a massive disaster, there is a solution. ORIENTUM Plus, in partnership with SEPCO Industries Company Limited and supported by the Faculty of Science, Chulalongkorn University, has found a way to convert all of this waste plastic into high-quality fuel. The founders of SEPCO Industries have worked for over 15 years to develop and optimize an innovative and ultra-clean industrial process for converting waste plastic into high-quality synthetic fuel using a machine called the polypetron. From the time the first generation polypetron began operations in the early 2000s, the SEPCO team has worked consistently to perfect the system with regular upgrades to maximize efficiency and capacity towards full-fledged commercial operations. The polypetron Gen 5 has the capacity to produce 15,000 liters of fuel per day while disposing of 20,000 kilograms of waste plastic. This can deliver a profit of 1 million euros per year with a return on investment within 2 years. ORIENTUM Plus is allocating a full 50% of funds towards setting up polypetron waste plastic to fuel production modules and 25% towards further research of plastic waste management technologies. Profits from these production modules will be reinvested into the business, bringing stability and sustainability to this dynamic green energy enterprise. We are committed to partnering with all who share our passion for healing this planet. Through joining forces with ORIENTUM Plus, you can play a part in this powerful opportunity of tackling the massive global crisis of plastic waste, while reaping rich rewards at the same time. ORIENTUM Plus, turning waste into wealth. By ORIENTUM, own the future.